On guys, it's James with the game, and we ready to do an oil change, man. I got this good Honda HRX217. Can you see it? Can you get it? You see the G's? You see it? All right. It's an HRX217. This thing's a beast, but it needs an oil change, and it needs a spark plug change, it needs a filter change. Everything needs to be changed, and you gotta take care of your lawnmowers, man. One thing you gotta do is take care of your lawnmower. So I've been running this thing almost all season. I'm afraid to even look at the filter and the oil. All right, so we can get to it. First things first, guys. The first things first, what you want to do is I just ran the lawnmower. I ran it. I got it nice and hot so the oil can be nice and hot, so the oil can go out nice and smooth, because if you don't, the oil is not going to run out nice and smooth. All right, just like that. So warm that oil up, man. Go mow your lawn, get that oil hot. Next thing is you want to turn off the gas. All right. After that, you want to come over here and unplug. Ooh, it's hot. You want to unplug the spark plug. All right. Now we good. Won't nothing come on. We good to go. All right. Good. Look how black that is, guys. It's not good, all right? Get this, all right? Gonna take the spark plug out. JCJ's, hand me a new spark plug. Thank you, sir. All right, we got a tight one here, guys. Hold on. Let's get it. There we go. Look at that. That's bad, guys. Dude, please take care of your lawnmower. This is bad. You throw it away for me now, JCJ's, please. All right. So we're gonna just screw it back in. All right. Screw it back in. All right. Screw it back in. So you get it nice and tight with your hands. All right. You don't want to put it on too tight, but you definitely want to get it. You want to get it on there. All right. That's good.
Sounds so satisfying.
Look at that brownness compared to that blackness.
I know.
It sounds so satisfying.
Right. Next, we're gonna change the filter. This is ridiculous. I feel so sorry for my lawnmower. Here, filter Jace, please. Thank you, sir. I got Idris on the camera. We got Jace helping me out a little bit. All right. So now, so that's new filter. We can put this back on now. This is new spark plug. All right. New spark plug. All right. Fresh oil. All right. And there you go, guys. It's that simple. This is for a Honda HRX217. It's a GCV 200. This thing is a beast. But that's it, guys. That's it. Change the oil. We got the oil in the pan. We got the fresh filter. New spark plug. Let's fire him up. Oh, I forgot. You got it recording? Okay. Gas. I never turned it back on. All right. Let's fire him up.